yeah, I'm doing this now. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cheryl. I do makeup reviews and vlogs. Get it right, get it right. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm a channel of beauty, vlogs and reviews and just daily motivational, kickboxing, karate, meditation, yoga, whatever. Yeah, if you aren't new, oh, boots, oh, boots, on trend, oh, so yeah, I'll check again. Yeah, anyway, this one is an unboxing from none other than GLOSSYBOX. I've been with GLOSSYBOX for about 5 months now. I come and go when it's not really too good, but this time it's okay. So GLOSSYBOX, you're killing it. You're keeping a valuable customer here, and hopefully I'll be one of your representatives. You know, the ones that get the box for free. But this is £10 a month, including $3.95 postage and packaging. And yeah, on my YouTube you can see lots of GLOSSYBOX unboxings, so go and check them out. I'll link them up here. And let's get into this September unboxing, shall we? Okay, so in a black box, and then you undo the black box, there we go, and then you undo the pink box. What is inside? You can get it out. Yeah, you can get it out, and this is the September GLOSSYBOX thumbnail. Oh, you can go this way. And show off my muscle coach cropped hoodie that I got for £40 off my coach. Or is it friendly coach? So yeah, we'll stick with a coach. Anyway, this is the GLOSSYBOX. Yeah. So in here you get it wrapped up in a little bow like that. Undo the bow and see if you can open it without ripping it. Just like Gemma Louise knows. I rip it. Oh crap. Okay, not bad. I haven't really ripped it, so I've done better than it. So here we go. These are the products that's in it. We've got a lot of black Hansker cozy stuff. And again, we haven't got a leaflet. But anyway, I'll take all the things out. Again, filled with fluff. Right, the first thing that I've got is this. Oh, pardon me. Coffee scrub exfoliating. Don't matter anyway, we can just like look it up on the internet. It's an exfoliating exfoliating scrub for buttery smooth soft skin, and it's from mindtanbody.skin. I suppose it exfoliates your skin for softer, smoother, luminous skin. Just get it smooth. And the next thing that I've got is Generation Skin. It's a brightening plump eye patches. Eye patches, okay. These are energizing, hydrating, and blah 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 blah. I need a drink. Blah 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 blah. Shall I talk like this or the blah 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 blah? Okay. Get your words together. Get your tongue moving. Get your words together, and get yourself together. Australian superfood Kakadu plum is said to be the most abundant abundant natural source of vitamin C in the world, meaning it is jam-packed with skin-loving antioxidants. I think I need that right now. I really do. This ingredient will help to banish dark circles, even out skin tone and invisibly energize. Just like Red Bull or Lucozade. Oh, my hair is all over the place. Oh my god. That fits my hair, dude. There we go. Consider these patches exactly what you need to look alert and refined. Well, what's it got? Magic serum. Even if you don't feel like it on the inside. So you got to feel good outside, but this is saying if I don't feel like it on the inside. I think you got to feel good inside and out, ain't you? This is why I'm taking up karate, so yeah, I've got to feel good on the outside, feel strong on the inside too, you know. Okay, so you got to apply patch to clean, dry, undry area. Wait 10-15 minutes and peel off. So that's good. Okay. And this Avant Hyaluronic Vitamin C Lethalin Matters Jojoba Oil, and this is a moisturiser. This is a moisturiser. Apply in the morning and evening after cleansing, and apply your serum. So yeah, that's the Avant. Don't know if... oh. Anyway, you know what a moisturiser's like. They are creamy, they are white. Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. It's a cream. Elemis Papaya Peel. Okie dokie. Haven't tried this before. GLOSSYBOX has been delivered. Yeah, I know, I had it like an hour ago, so I'm doing a video on it now. Leave me alone, email. Ah! Apply for 10 minutes, rinse off with rinse off with water, basically. Okay, I was just going to say it feels half full, but it looks like they're being a bit stingy with the product. Okay, and the last thing that I have is, get ready, get ready, at my wrist. This, okay, so I've had this before. It's like a bath foam. Foam it in your bath and it's like, it doubles in size. Pampering Luxury Gel 2 Foam Body Wash. So that is a good one. Shame I haven't got no leaflet, but that's everything really. Foam burst, let's have a go. The last one, we've got a little bit of foam. I can't even do it. What the hell? I can't even. It's coming out. Okay. Okay. So that is what it looks like. No other YouTuber has sprayed it like this. That is what it looks like. It's like foam. Look at that. Whoa. Ooh. Can't wait to use that. Oh my god. Wow. That's what it looks like. It's like fluff. Fluffy, man. That's cool. But anyway, I'm going to end it here. Now I've got my hands full of foam. Okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Check out the other GLOSSYBOX unboxings that I've put on my YouTube. And I will see you in the next one.